In this video, I'll walk you through how I diagnosed and repaired an issue with a buzzing noise coming from the engine and an illuminated ABS light. The customer brought their vehicle in with these concerns, so I started by confirming the problem myself. When I checked, I could hear a buzzing noise from the engine, and the anti-lock brake system ABS light was indeed on. To begin diagnosing, I connected a scan tool to retrieve trouble codes. The scan revealed C025E brake booster vacuum sensor, which pointed to a problem in the brake booster vacuum system. To investigate further, I monitored live data from the scan tool while the engine was idling. The brake booster pressure sensor signal was below specifications, confirming that there was an issue with the vacuum system. The brake booster relies on vacuum to assist with braking, so any problem in this system can impact brake performance. Next, I connected a vacuum gauge to the brake booster vacuum hose to measure the system's vacuum level. Using the scan tool, I commanded the vacuum pump to turn on. The vacuum reading was below the minimum specification of 15 inches of vacuum, which meant the system wasn't generating enough vacuum for proper operation. To determine whether the issue was with the pump itself or its electrical system, I used the scan tool to command the pump on again. The pump didn't respond. It was completely inoperative. At this point, I suspected the vacuum pump was faulty, but I needed to rule out any wiring or power supply issues. To do this, I connected a test light across the vacuum pump harness connector and used the scan tool to command the pump on. The test light illuminated as expected, confirming that the harness and power supply were functioning correctly. This verified that the vacuum pump itself was faulty and needed to be replaced. To resolve the issue, I replaced the vacuum pump with a new one. After installing the new pump, I cleared the trouble codes and tested the system. This time the vacuum pump operated correctly and the buzzing noise was gone. The ABS light stayed off and the brake system worked as it should. This repair highlights the importance of systematic diagnostics and testing when addressing issues like vacuum leaks or pump failures. If you're dealing with a similar problem, I hope this video gives you a clear understanding of the process and helps you fix it with confidence.